So in this video we are going to discuss if capital A is equal to matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. So now here given that matrix A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, right? So what is transpose of this? So transpose means interchanging the rows into columns. So here first row writing as a column cos alpha sin alpha, and here minus sin alpha cos alpha, right? So now first multiplying here A into A transpose. See, multiplying A into A transpose. So matrix A is here cos alpha sin alpha, here minus sin alpha cos alpha. So this matrix is multiplying with the transpose matrix, that is cos alpha minus sin alpha, here sin alpha and cos alpha. See now what we get, which is equal to. So first row multiplying with first column cos alpha into cos alpha, cos alpha into cos alpha, plus sin alpha into sin alpha, sin alpha into sin alpha, and here first row multiplying with second column, so that is cos alpha into minus sin alpha, plus sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha, like this. And again the second row multiplying with first column, so this is minus sin alpha into this cos alpha, so plus cos alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha into sin alpha, and again second row multiplying with second column minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, and plus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos alpha into cos alpha. See what we get, observe carefully now, which is equal to cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha, and plus here sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha, and here minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus sin alpha cos alpha, and here plus sin alpha cos alpha, plus sin alpha cos alpha, and again here minus sin alpha cos alpha, minus sin alpha cos alpha, plus cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha, and here this is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. See, we know that so cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. As per this cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, we can write, see here, A into A transpose is equal to 1. And this minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled 0. And similarly here minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha gets cancelled 0. And here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is also like sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. So which is equal to I. So therefore A into A transpose is equal to I we get. So suppose if we say this is 1 and we multiplied here the matrix A with A transpose. Now further we have to do that. So matrix A transpose we have to multiply with matrix A. So now the continuation here, what I am doing is, so taking here, so A transpose matrix is first and multiplying that A transpose matrix with the matrix A. So we have to prove that. So A transpose into A is also is equal to I. So how to prove that? See, observe carefully here. Now I am taking here. So A transpose, now A transpose into A, which is equal to the matrix A transpose is here. We have cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha, and so into the matrix A is here cos alpha sin alpha, and here minus sin alpha cos alpha. See, these two matrices are multiplied. See, observe here, which is equal to, we get, so again first row multiplying with first column, so cos alpha into cos alpha into cos alpha, and plus this is minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha. Again here first row multiplying with second column, so cos alpha into sin alpha into sin alpha, and plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha, and here second row multiplying with first column, so sin alpha into cos alpha, and again plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha, and again here sin alpha, second row multiplying with second column, sin alpha into sin alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha into cos alpha. See, what do we get? Observe carefully here. So we have here cos alpha into cos alpha, that is cos square alpha. Again this is minus into minus is plus, so sin square alpha. Here we get plus cos alpha sin alpha, and again plus into minus is minus sin alpha cos alpha, and here sin alpha cos alpha with plus, and here plus into minus is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Here sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Already I told you earlier, so here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So like that, so this is also we get here, which is also is equal to, we get here. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is also, now multiplying here A transpose into A, so which is also is equal to 1, and here these two are gets cancelled 0, and here these two are gets cancelled plus minus 0, and this is also 1, so we get this is also I. So if you find that A transpose into A is also is equal to I, if you say this is a second condition from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can write, so A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to, we get the unit matrix. So like this we can prove the given problem.